Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 19th November 2020. I would invite Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2077 शक संवत 1942 आज कार्तिक माह के शुक्ल पक्ष की पंचमी तिथि, नक्षत्र पूर्वाषाढ़ा एवं योग शूल है। आज के प्रविष्टे की यदि बात की जाए तो आज मार्गशीर्ष माह के 4 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। आज मुस्लिम माह रबी उल सानी की 3री तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's the time to start our prayer. I request all of you to join your hands and cover your heads for the prayer.
All classes, be ready for prayer.
सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाणपा लख होए तां इक न चले नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पार हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया ना हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई हुक्मी उत्तम नीच हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाइए इक ना हुक्मी बख्शीश एक हुक्मी सदा पवाइए हुक्मे अंदर सबको बाहर हुक्म न कोए, नानक हुक्मे जे बुझे ताहू में कहे न कोए।
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। Be ready for national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
National Integration Day is observed on 19th November every year all over the India. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India. The National Integration Day is celebrated to enhance the love and unity among people all across the India. It is celebrated every year in India by conducting variety of programs and activities like Interstate Youth Exchange Program, National Integration Camp, National Youth Festival, National Youth Award, etc. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was born on 19th November 1917. She was an Indian politician and a central figure of the Indian National Congress. She was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. She served as Prime Minister from January 1966 to March 1977 and again from 1980 until her assassination in October 1984, making her the second longest serving Indian Prime Minister after her father. During her tenure as Prime Minister, Indira, who was known as the Iron Lady of India, took many decisions that changed the course of India's history. She handled the war of 1971 against Pakistan and won it. Signing of the Shimla Pact with Pakistani Premier Z.A. Bhutto, Indo-Soviet Treaty of Peace, friendship and cooperation was done under her leadership. Under her leadership, the first nuclear test at Pokhran took place. First Asian Games in the New Delhi, first astronaut squadron leader Rakesh Sharma had went to the space, and the growth of the Indian space research and peaceful nuclear development gone under her proficient guidance. She was very much interested in the music, literature and fine arts. She was awarded with the Great Indian Award Bharat Ratna in 1971. She has proved to be a fascinating leader of the modern India who has left an impression on the world affairs and the non-alignment movement. Indira Gandhi remains an inspiration for all Indians and will be remembered forever in Indian history for her courageous leadership and contribution. On her birthday, I want to share one quote with all of you that there is not love where there is no will. Thank you. Now I would invite Harshit Thakur, a student of class 12th science, to share some science facts with us. Namaste Harshit.
Namaste, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear fellow friends. I am Harshit of class plus 2 medical of St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am here to share some interesting facts about our fingerprints. Almost everyone has fingerprints, while your fingerprints are similar to those of other people's. No two people have the same fingerprints. Scientists have studied fingerprints, handprints, and other body prints, including the patterns on people's tongue. Biometric is the science of studying human body characteristics. In the Henry system of classification, there are three basic fingerprints pattern: loop, whirl, and arc, which constitute 60 to 65%, 30 to 35%, and 5% of fingerprints, respectively. A book published in 1788 by J.C.A. Mayer, a German doctor, was the first to state that fingerprints are unique. Fingerprints develop before babies are born. Your fingerprints are made of several layers of twisted skin that formed prior to your birth. These ridges of skin make patterns. Scientists studying fingerprints identified three main patterns of ridges: loops, whirls, and arches. Everyone's fingerprints are a combination of these patterns. While very, very rare, some people are born without fingerprints. They aren't just for decoration. Because of the raised skin patterns on your fingerprints and palms, we are able to hold on to things. The ridges of the skin help you to grip on objects that you are trying to grasp. Without them, things would slide right out of your hands. Not even identical twins have the same fingerprints. Fingerprints can also reveal a whole lot of things about a person, like their intelligence, personality, and talents. So, I hope that I have made all of you aware of these interesting facts about fingerprints. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Harshit. Now I would invite Sonali, a student of class 8th A, to share a new word with us. Namaste, Sonali.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सोनाली ठाकुर हाँ। मैं 8वीं श्रेणी ਦੀ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम ਸਕੂਲ ਤੋਂ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹੈ ਅਕਲ। ਅਕਲ ਦੇ ਸਮਾਨਾਰਥਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹਨ ਬੁੱਧੀ, ਸੋਚ, ਗਿਆਨ, ਸਿਆਣਪ, ਮਤ। ਅਕਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹਨ ਬੇਅਕਲ, ਬੇਸਮਝ। ਵਾਕ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਅਕਲ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਗਿਆਨ ਦਾ ਸਹੀ ਪ੍ਰਯੋਗ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਆਸ਼ਾ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਚੰਗਾ ਹੋਵੇ।
Thank you, Sonali. Now it's the time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Divyansh Kashyap 4th A, Himangsh 4th B, and Khushi +1 Humanities. Let's wish them by singing our birthday song. I request all of you to sing with us and bless our students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. God bless you. That's it in the assembly today. Stay home, stay safe, take a good care of yourself. Namaste.